How to make your art into an NFT. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial how you can convert your art into an NFT and sell on OpenSea for thousands of dollars. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to a platform known as OpenSea.io. OpenSea.io is world's first and largest NFT marketplace that allows you to mint NFTs. When it comes to minting NFTs, don't worry, it's actually really easy and you can convert any type of art into NFT. If you have a digital art, if you have physical art, music, trading cards, collectibles, photography, domain names, sports, virtuals, we can convert it into an NFT on OpenSea. So what I do is I actually use Canva.com, which is a designing tool to create NFTs and to design, cool art. So I have created this art recently. I just created and I'll show you how I will mint it as an NFT. It's a simple art which I will save as PNG. NFT can be a PNG, GIF, JPG, any kind of file. So I will be minting this art, which is a digital art that I created with Canva. You can also go to canva.com, sign up for free, and create amazing art very easily using different graphics, and we have different tools available. So we have created an art right here on Canva. Click on share, download, and download it as PNG, and there are other formats as well, but I'm going to download it as PNG. You can also adjust the size. Click on download and your art will be downloaded. Now, once it's done, we will move to OpenSea. On OpenSea.io, you don't need to create an account, but you require a crypto wallet. So click right here on the wallet option, and it will allow you to connect your Wallet Connect, MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, or Phantom. Phantom is for Solana. On OpenSea, we can mint Ethereum NFTs and Solana NFTs as well. So if you already have a crypto wallet, you can just connect it. I have a MetaMask, which is also a popular choice. So I'm going to select MetaMask and just sign in through my wallet. Once your wallet is connected, you will be able to see right here, you do not require any funds in your wallet in order to connect it to OpenSea. And as a complete beginner, if you do not have any crypto wallet, then you can get a MetaMask really easily. Just go to metamask.io and you will get a wallet. Now you have connected the wallet. You can see right here. We are good to go. In order to mint NFT, you will have to click on create. And here we will be adding our art as NFT. First of all, you have to select an image, JPG, PNG, GIF, SVG, MP4, MP3. Maximum size can be 100 MB, and I'm going to select the art that we just created. Alright, here it is, my NFT that I created. This is an art. Moving on, we have to give our NFT a name. So I'm going to call it Save the Turtles, which is actually the name for my NFTs that I am creating. Then moving on, we have external link. So this is where we add a link for our NFT. If you have any kind of detailed page created, if you have a website, then you can add the external link here. I do not have any, so I'm going to leave this option. It's optional. Moving on, we have description. Now, description is where we will be adding the details about the collection and the NFT that we are minting, the art that we have created. So you will type in the description right here. So you will enter the description. I have just written some words right here to just give you an example. Moving on, we have a collection. So you will select the collection that you have on your wallet that you have created on OpenSea. Keep in mind that if you do not have a collection, and a collection will automatically be created on OpenSea. So you don't need to actually create a collection, or if you want to, then you can just go to your profile right here, go to collections and create one. Moving on, we have properties, levels, and stats. These are traits that show us the rarity of NFT. In properties, I'm going to select it and we're going to go for a color, and it's going to be blue. Then I'm going to add another one, which is going to be a character, and it's a turtle. Because we have different characters for different purposes, so this is a turtle. Then moving on, we have some of the other properties that we can add. Click on save and these will be added. Now these are textual traits that show up as rectangles, and we have levels and stats. This is mostly for the trading cards and games and stuff. So you can also just click on the plus button, select your your traits right here to add to your NFT. Then we have unlockable content. Check. Unlockable content is a content that we add for our NFT art, which is only revealed by the owner. So if you want to add your email address, if it's a physical art, you can sell it physically as well by adding your details right here, and it's a locked content. Then we have explicit insensitive content. Check. Moving on, we have important options now. We have supply, the number of items that you can mint and no gas cost to use on OpenSea. If you're minting one NFT, one copy of your art, then it is actually free and there's no gas cost. Not free, but there's no gas cost because we know that the gas fee can be too much for Ethereum, especially sometimes. So it's actually really good on OpenSea. Moving on, we have blockchain. So this is where you will be selecting that what blockchain you want to mint your NFT on. Previously on in the start, OpenSea only offered Ethereum, but now it has actually expanded and we can mint NFTs on Arbitrum, Avalanche, we have Solana. So it's actually improving day by day. It's pretty good. The wallet that I have connected, it totally depends on your wallet. Keep that in mind. I have connected an Ethereum wallet, which is the MetaMask wallet, and I can mint NFT on Ethereum or Polygon. Or if I have added the network Avalanche or Arbitrum on my MetaMask, then I will be able to mint the NFT. So if you want to know how to add Polygon or Arbitrum or Avalanche on your MetaMask, the videos are already on this channel. You can go ahead and check them out. For now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Ethereum. Polygon is actually a gas-free experience and it's actually lightweighted than Ethereum. Then we have freeze metadata. To freeze your metadata, you must create your item first. So this is just like for our metadata. Once it's done, all of the details, click on create. And now I am actually converting my simple art that I created on Canva to an NFT. It'll just take a minute. So you can see my NFT has been created and it's an art. Now it's an NFT. So that's how easy it is to convert your art into NFT on OpenSea. Once it's done, you will be able to see it like this. You can see this is my NFT. We have properties and then a collection is already created. You can see. And then we have the name. We have Ethereum. I had to change the name because it wasn't available. So you can see blockchain is Ethereum. If you want to edit your NFT, click on edit. If you want to sell it, click on the sell option given. Now you can select if you want it to be a fixed price or timed auction. I'm going to go with fixed price and I will be selling it for 0.05 Ethereum, which is $63 at the time of making this video. Then we have duration and fees. You can see service fee is going to be 2.5% and creator fee is going to be 0%. This is what my NFT looks like. Click on complete listing and your NFT will be available for sale on OpenSea. This is how you can convert your any art, your digital art or your physical art into NFT on OpenSea. I gave you a beginner's tutorial and showed you everything step by step. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.